Now is that we're going to create a custom shape for the logo, and the shape is created from the shape we created in the paths by outlining the cup. So if we go into Edit, Define Custom Shape, we're in the Paths menu. We're going to call that coffee cup. And that's going to be in the Shapes panel when we pull that down with the Custom Shape tool. Which is right here. We go into the Shapes, and here's the coffee cup, which we just created. So we're going to set that up in the top of the screen. And that's going to form the basis of the logo. We'll move that over a little bit. And we want to subtract a lightning bolt from the coffee cup to make it a little bit more interesting. So let me go back into the Custom Shape tool. There's a lightning bolt. It's going to be white. And that will do it for this segment. We'll come back to segment 3 where we'll finish the rest of the logo.